Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. Today I'm going to show you all how to achieve this very beautiful hairstyle on a short natural hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is to brush up my kinky hair, and I'm just going to use this extension from Kinky, and I'm going to section my hair at the middle like this. I'm just going to section it so that I can be able to grab that portion properly, and then I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel in that portion that I already sectioned, just so that there will be a clear demarcation between the sectioned area and the rest of my hair. And then right now I am going to braid that section like this. And once that is done, I'm going to rotate it at the middle of my head like this, and then just hide that properly. And then I'm going to stitch, and I'll be using a needle and thread to stitch all of that so that it stays firm and so that it does not move, so that it does not unravel on my head. At this point, I'll be going in with my Kaima black gel. This is actually an edge control, and I'm going to start applying that in every section of my hair, and I'm just going to move my hair apart a little bit and then apply that like this, just so that the hair gel sinks properly into my hair. At this point, I'm going to go ahead to apply the edge control all over my hair. You can see that it has a very strong grip, so I'm going to apply this all over my hair and then use a shoe brush. I so much love this brush a lot because it makes your hair really sleek and properly laid. So I'm going to apply the edge control at the back of my head again, and then go in with the brush to make sure that the whole of my hair is properly laid. At this point, I'm going to hold the rest of my hair using thread. Just make sure that that is firm but not too tight on your head, just so that there will be easy blood circulation around your veins. Right now, I'm going to go in with the shoe brush again to make sure that everything is properly laid and so that everything is sleek and nice. At this point, I'm going to go in with my mousse, and this is from Above. I'm going to shake that and then apply that on my hair because I don't want flyovers here and there. So I'm just going to apply the mousse, and once that is done, I'm going to use a silk fabric to cover my head for a while. So you can sleep with this scarf on your head till the next morning so that everything will dry up properly. Right now, I'm going to pick up my Brazilian wool, and then I'm going to divide them into beads like this and start twisting. So I'm going to create twists from the top to the bottom. So for the twisted Brazilian wool, I have sectioned about 5 of them like this, and I'm going to start using my needle and thread to place this on my head, all over the middle of my head like this. And then once I place them, I'm going to keep checking with a mirror to make sure that it's properly positioned and it's right at the middle. So this is what I'm going to do throughout. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video until it's necessary for me to come in again. right now I'm going to apply the Kaima edge control on my edges like this, and I'm just going to lay them properly and then slay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. I remain your girl Lizzie. I'm going to link some of my previous videos to this one so that you guys can see, just in case you have not done that. I love you all so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.